Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this weird looking paste on my fingers is this Beaphar Multivitamin Malt Paste. And this is designed for ferrets, but you'll soon see that rats are absolutely obsessed with this product here.
So the texture of this is actually pretty nice. It is a paste, but it kind of is powdery, so it's really easy to apply to get the right amounts that you need, and it doesn't leave much of a mess on your hands. So like I said, this is originally made to address hairballs with ferrets and get them their full panel of nutrients. However, this is made with things that are also good for rats and are part of their diet as well, although there's no need to help with hairballs for them. But I love that it is a great product for training, for bonding, and just as a wonderful treat. I mean, look at them. They are absolutely obsessed with this right here. It tastes great for them, and it's been wonderful for bonding.
I highly recommend you check it out. I promise you they will love it, but that's just my point of view.